Namaskara. Myself is Manjula Manjunath, and I am bringing to you the middle class reviews. That is, reviewing the latest content with a middle class perspective. This week, I want to talk about the latest horror comedy cinema released by the Bollywood. That is Bhulaiya 2. See, this Bhulaiya 2, it is a sequel to Bhulaiya 1, which is a remake of a Tamil film Chandramukhi, which is a remake of a Malayalam film Manchitratal. So this is basically a sequel to a remake of a remake. If you understood that, you please explain to everybody else in comment section. But this horror cinema Bulbulia 2, it is not a true sequel. That is, the story is not continuing from the previous cinema. It is a spiritual sequel. See, the sequel also spirits are there. Means basically one or two common elements are taken from that old cinema and they are used in this cinema also. But story is completely different. So one common element that they have taken is that name of that character, Manjulika. Okay, and that song, which was a very hit, successful song in the Bulbulia one, that is Ami J Tomar. That song they have taken. Okay, and I must say that one middle class thing that this director Anis Bazmi he has followed is the reuse recycle, which is a very important middle class value. So that same song, it is sung by everybody. Sometimes hero is singing, sometimes heroine is singing, sometimes other characters are singing. Everybody is singing this song. I think this going by the stereotyping that they are showing in this cinema, all the Bengali girls they must be learning this song in their childhood only. After national anthem, they must be learning the second song is this spirit anthem, Ami Je Tomar. So in case they become spirit sometime, they can use this song and haunt various residences. That's what I'm thinking. Another thing which is always surprising for me is that this patriarchy, it is not leaving us in the spiritual world also. All these spirits are women. Men don't want to take the effort of becoming spirit or haunting anybody and all that. They have left it entirely for women to do. And that also the woman should know to sing and she should know to dance and all. Like old times in the arranged marriage, they used to ask, does she know Carnatic music? Does she know Bharatanatyam? Remember? Like that. If the spirit is a woman, she knows to sing, she knows to dance, then she is qualified to haunt all the palaces and mansions in Rajasthan and various other parts of the country. Otherwise, you are not qualified. See, this director Anis Bazmino, he has taken on a big responsibility because this is a horror comedy and there is romance also. Means he has the responsibility of making us laugh, making us scared, and making us feel a little bit romantic. Unfortunately, he is not succeeding entirely in the romance or the comedy department. It is so only. The horror part is actually not so bad, and the credit for that is going to Tabu. So, if you are a Tabu fan, you will enjoy this cinema. I also think this cinema is going to become a hit because people are liking this kind of childish horror or comedy. Summer vacation is going on, all the children will go for these movies. They will make it a hit. So if you want a time pass and if you are a Tabu fan, then you can go and watch the cinema. No need to take the effort to go all the way to the theater. You can watch when it comes on Netflix also. So until next time, myself is Manjula Manjunath, and please to like, share, and subscribe this video because you know more like, share, and subscribe. It has a direct impact on the YouTube algorithm. That's all. Looking forward to the next content that I can bring for you. Until then, namaskar.